Do you ever wake up in the early hours of the morning and find you can't get back to sleep? Your mind's engaging, the chatter's kicked in. All of a sudden, there's a list of jobs to do, things that have to be done. And all out of a sense of lack, not enough time, not enough ability, a sense of pressure, always more to do. I realized that this week, when this happened to me, that I was in self-attack mode, that the feeling behind these thoughts was one of, I can't do this well enough, I'm not working hard enough, I'm not clear enough, I could be doing this better. That underlying message, I'm not good enough. I was making myself wrong very subtly, yet impacting me hugely, and in fact reminded me, and I'm 60, of the comments my teachers would sometimes make, could do better. All these years later, that plays on my mind, could do better. So as soon as I realized that, the next realization was that's something I can do about this, because I realized that I am not practicing the presence. I'm not practicing being aware of God here in my midst, in the silence, in the stillness. My focus was not on God, it was on all the problems that need to be sorted out. And yet it's this practice, this awareness, as all the mystics throughout time have told us, that is our salvation, our awakening, the key to us becoming who we came here to be. And truly, when we allow ourselves to focus into God here and now, through us, around us, and as us, we make space for that experience of God as divine heart mind to become us. It's natural, it's easy. When we respond with awe and reverence to the majesty and the mystery that is beyond our mental understanding, but the heart knows, here we are changed. So instead of giving ourselves these to-do lists, instead of striving to be better, instead of needing to fix ourselves or, of course, another human being, instead of all of that, let us find a way to get still, to turn our attention away from the mind chatter, to recognize that God is working through me naturally, easily, when I make space for divine heart mind to express as me. I'm allowing, I'm melting, I'm surrendering into that presence that is pure love and pure wisdom, and which knows the answers, knows how to resolve things, and brings forth more time, more people, more solutions, more help. I simply show up to God, and God shows up through me. So this week, why not let us stop fixing and practice allowing, softening, melting into God, into love and wisdom, and know that this energy is changing us one person at a time, one moment at a time. And in our time and God's time, the world is changed. We come together in a more productive, sustainable way that works for all. That surely must be the call of our hearts and divine heart. Thank you.